Today is StampTV Day, and today I'm going to share with you some of our tips from our special report on how to avoid trade-up mistakes. Watch until the end of the video so you will find out about certain factors to prevent complicating a home buying situation. Unlike experience of buying a first home, when you're looking to move up and already own a home, there are certain factors that can complicate the situation. It's very important for you to consider these issues before you list your home for sale. Not only is there the issue of financing to consider, but you also have to sell your present home at exactly the right time in order to avoid either the financial burden of owning two homes or, just as bad, the dilemma of having no place to live during the gap between closings. 6 strategies in this video, which I'm just going to name a few. I outline what is the most common mistakes homeowners make when moving to a larger home. Knowledge of these 6-step mistakes and the strategies to overcome them will help you make informed choices before you put your existing home on the market. So, rose-colored glasses. You know, most of us dream of improving your lifestyle and moving to a larger home. And the problem is that there's sometimes a discrepancy between our hearts and our bank accounts. You drive by a home that you actually fall in love with only to find out that it's already sold or that it's more than what you are willing or actually what you can pay. Most homeowners get caught in this hit or miss strategy of house hunting when there's much easier way of going about the process. For example, find out if your agent offers buyer's profile system or house hunting service, which takes the guesswork away and helps to put you in the home of your dreams. This type of program will cross-match your criteria with all available homes on the market and supply your printed information in ongoing basis. A program like this helps homeowners take off their rose-colored glasses and affordably move into their home of their dreams. So falling to make necessary improvements if you want to get the very best price for the home you're selling, there will certainly be things that you can do to enhance it in a prospective buyer's eyes. These fix-ups do not necessarily have to be expensive. But even if you do have to make minor investment, it will often come back to you tenfold in the price you're able to get when you actually sell. You know, it's very important that these improvements be made before you put your home on the market if you're going to do it. So if cash is tight, investigate an equity loan that you can repay on at closing, or maybe you want to adjust it in the price. Not selling first. So you should plan to sell before you buy. This way you will not find yourself at a disadvantage at the negotiating table and have to pay more because of this. So feeling pressured to accept an offer that is below market value because you have to meet a purchase deadline. If you don't have to sell, then that's a completely different story. But if you've already sold your home, you can buy your next one with no strings attached. If you do get an offer on your home, but haven't made significant headway on finding your next home, you might want to put in a contingency clause in the sale contract, which gives you a reasonable time to find a home to buy. So if the market is slow and you find your home is not selling as quickly as you actually anticipated, another option could be renting your home and putting it up on the market later. Okay, particularly if you are selling a smaller starter home, this may work for you. You know, you'll have to investigate and work with a professional to see all of your options, your tax rules. If you choose this later option, better still find a way to eliminate this situation altogether by getting your agent to guarantee the sale of your home, of your present home. So, you know what? Failing to get pre-approved mortgage, you know, a pre-approval is a very simple process that many homeowners fail to take advantage of. While it doesn't cost or obligate you to anything, a pre-approval gives you significant advantage when you put an offer on a home that you want to purchase because you know exactly how much house you can afford and you already have the green light from your lending institution. With a pre-approved mortgage, your offer will be viewed far more favorably by a seller, sometimes even if it's a little lower than another offer that's contingent on financing. So don't fail to take this important step before looking at a home. You know, getting caught in the real estate catch-22, that's what a lot of people do. You know, your biggest dilemma when buying and selling is deciding which to do first. So these points above are going to help you. However, there are ways to eliminate this dilemma altogether. You know, some agents offer a guaranteed sale trade-up program that we do that actually takes the problem away from you entirely by guaranteeing the sale of your present home before you take possession of your next home. So if you find a home you wish to purchase and have not sold your current home yet, they will buy your home from you themselves so you can make your move free of stress and worry. That's what we do. So, you know what? Failing to coordinate closings and also with two major transactions to coordinate together with all the people involved, such as mortgage experts, appraisers, potentially lawyers, loan officers, title companies, home inspectors, you know, maybe pest inspectors, all sorts of things, sometimes can get miscommunicated. And, you know, to avoid this logistical nightmare, ensure you work closely with your real estate agent. If you would like a full copy of this report explaining all the details to you, you can call us at 561-221-2292 or the email is below. If you like this video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, we would love to see you on our weekly videos. So if you click that bell icon below, you'll actually receive instant notifications whenever we post a new video. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.